Going on, Mojos? ProTrader Mike. Chat room's loving it right now. We're about to get a Heinz trade play at $17 on SQQ. Got some open position. So without any further hesitation, let's fly right over to the room and check it out. Flying like Ethereum. Yes, sir. All right, so we got 1695 by 96. We're in a 5-minute rail grind for sure. There it is, right above my head. Chair lifting right there above 87% on the stochasticals. We're about to go 98. We did touch 17 once. We're about to do it again. I've got one runner up $42 on a micro at $854 total profit. Today, I traded no more than 16 micros at any one time. I have a control limit on my account. I'll show you what that's about with Prop Shop Trader, how they use an average contract size in order to set those limits. And if you go over it by one contract, it's gambling. So only way to increase it, I found that. I'll give you the answer to that later in the show. Plus, giving away a couple of eval accounts on the 50K Warriors. Let's go. Let me see my YouTube here for a second. Here it is. What's going on? What's up, Brad? 99, boss. There it is. Look. 99. Ching, ching. 17. There it is. I'll bet you $1 million it goes through. Who wants to bet? NASDAQ's going lower. Who wants to bet? I'll bet anyone $1 million. Anyone. Who wants to bet me? Anybody? Any takers? I'll give you 1,000 to 1 odds. You give me $10 if it doesn't. All right. When it does go through, there we go. You owe me $10. I give you $1 million if it didn't do it. Done. Told you. Told you. I got runner there. Got a $75 micro runner right there on my take profit account. I can let that baby run forever because there's no consistency rules with this firm. You could make as much as you want. Let's freaking go. I think I have right here my other account right here with my Warrior account up $1,100 right now on 4 micros. 3 micros. See, micros. See, micro. Look how much money I make with the micros. Very much less stress and shit. Look, $80 runner. I got 3 left. Got 2 left at 51,000 on that account. Yes, go, baby. Hey, Armando from Don Ramon. What's up? Killer Manila from Chanchilla. Armando, I got a video about you, boss. Let me show you, my man. Yo, that's Armando, guys. He's fucking used to be a waiter. Wait on me at a Cuban restaurant. But I showed him how I trade along the table, how you use the top of the table, the bottom of the table, and the middle of the table with the salt and pepper shakers, how the markets move up and down in the DOM and how you trade it. When it goes up, you add a little bit. When it comes down, you take off a little bit and hold the rest. That's Armando. Isn't that amazing? Armando. Look, that's him, boss. There he is. Hey, buddy. Short trading. doubled his account already. Amazing. Look how happy he is. Amazing. That's Armando. Yes, sir. Armando. Oh, 1701. You guys owe me money. Told you. Told you. Armando, you can win. You can win today. I'm giving away a free 50K evaluation with Prop Shop Trader. You got a chance to win. You got to go to my Twitter and give this link a like. I'm doing a YouTube one too. But here's the one for the Twitter. Already got the payout, first payout on the 262,000 I had to make. I had to bring that baby to 12K. Look, 3 days now, guys. Pass your warrior eval in 3 days. Become a gladiator in the freaking ring. Let's fucking go. Ethereum 4,600. Told you, Armando, that shit was going, right? Yes, sir. And where's the link, man? Here it is. No, that's not it. It's the main one right here. This one. Is it this one? No, I already gave those. It's the original one. Let me give you this link. Ooh, look at that whiskey bottle, baby. Let's go. Oh, it's the big one. It's the big one. Ooh, I wish I had that cornbread still at freaking First Watch. They ran out of that shit. They don't have it no more. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Where do you see Neg? Neg's at $100 per share, guys. Right here. Do this one. 128 people do this one. There you go. Here's the link. I'll put that out on a. Go click that and like it. I'll also do a giveaway for you right now. Maybe Armando will win. Let's do a YouTube giveaway. Come on, Armando. Come on, Armando. Continue. We got a 50K eval with one substitute. Let's freaking go, baby. Armando's going to win a $50,000 account. Let's go. 2, 1. Armando. No, Brad and Dave. You can't, the code won't work. Because you guys already won. These guys would have 10 accounts already if that was allowable. I'm going to have to do 2 substitutes so it picks you, Armando. Continue. 50. Pick 2 winners. 3 substitutes. Come on, Armando. Back in the game with the Prop Shop Trader. Yes, sir. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Armando wins. There he is. Armando, number 1, baby. Yes, sir. Share. Armando, my man. Wait do you see how much money I made today, Armando? Copy. Armando. Here you go. Meet Armando. He was my waiter at, what was it? El Cuban? Oh, what was it? What was the name of that fucking place? At the Cuban restaurant? What's the name of it? What's the name of that shit? What's the name of that place? Armando. Look at him. He's a killer. Here's the link for that. Dang. Nice job, Armando. 1703 by 4. I still got 2 runners, taking 1 off. Thank you. Chilling like a villain. What am I up over here? I got $112 micro runner. Don't tell me I'm gambling. Let them babies run. So right now I'm going to fill in my sheets for the day. Whoops. In my daily PM, that's what I like to do the best right here. Hold on a second. This is rename it. What am I doing? 8:11 to 15. $120 runner. What's the longest runner you guys have ever had? I'm going to do a poll on Twitter. I had a $358 micro runner. That's my biggest. That one's 120 now. I'm going to do a post watch. We'll do a poll. Do it for an hour. Poll length, we'll do it for 1 hour. We'll do it for 30 minutes. And whoever answers this post, going to win an account. Go 20 minutes. Question. What, MNQ, what is the longest runner you have ever had? I am at 130 now. My record is 350. What's yours? We're going to do it as a post. Answer in comments. Winner gets a free 50K eval at ProTrader account. What's the longest runner you ever had? Mine's at 130. My record's 358. What's yours? Answer in comments. Winner gets a free eval prop warrior account. Prize in 20 minutes. Let's go. Done. Little hidden link. Boom. Putting it in my Discord. Putting it out on the Twitter Schmitter. Done. What are we at? 17:05. Look at that fucking runner. Look at that runner, Moj. Greatness. All right, I'm going to cut this trade right here because I got to stop for the day at about 1,000. What am I at? 932 in one day. I got to stop. So we'll close this baby. Close. Done. 942 on the day. Beautiful. This one I can hold. This one I got to stop on or else I just got to stop. That's 942.50. Do you know in order to trade MNQ at like Charles Schwab, Merrill Lynch, the futures, you know how much it costs for 1 micro? You know how much it costs, guys? Take a guess. Take a guess. I'm glad you're guessing. $17.07 by 8. Still got the runner. All right, so right here, I'm at, let's see, Today is the 13th. Yeah, I made 258.50. I went from 104,961 to 105,189. I just got a payout from that. And because of that, I added another one today that I passed. So we add another row. We copy this. We paste it in. I passed a 50K today. So that's a new $50,000 account. Done. I made $3,209 on that one right there. It's at 53,048. The other's at 105,189. My favorite part of the day right here. So I got to open this up, change this to 50,000. Hide that column. All right, so now on the day here, I made, holy shit, I have a runner in a fucking PA. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. In number 57, look, one runner, $556. Fuck yeah, boys. Ho! Cancel and flatten. $555, dude.
That's a big one, Mike. Congrats.
Yes, sir. Dude, that's the biggest runner ever that I just fucking hit. And I still, oh my God, dude. That was big. And I still got this runner. I still got this runner up 110. Oh my God, that was sick. Oh my God. That was sick. So today yesterday I made 547, 406, and 550. The day before 465, 442, and 67. Today I made 555. I went from 258, 387 to 258, 902. 14 days. 14 days. You know what the key number is? 57 days. That's the key number for trade. You get the account trading 57, 60 days, you're a fucking hero from Manero. All right, so that's that one. Now this one right here, I did 581.50. Went from 261,615 to 262,023. Bang. Friday, I'm fucking taking a payout. Yes, sir. Then this one, I got to build a couple back up. I fucked one or two of them up. Yeah, I did. Well, this one I didn't. This one is $191. I went from 257,697 to 257,853. Done. So these are all closed. I'm going to close this position, close and flatten. Finishing at $1,219. So that's my reward. So I come over here, give myself another line. I will pass that one. That right there is bink. Bink, 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 bink. That's 1,219. I'm at 51,034. I did a 50K account. So I got to come here, change that number to 50,000. Done. All right. Anyone want this sheet, man? Come on, I hook you up. So let's go to my, that's done with that one. Done with that one. Let's close this. Make sure I have no orders open. Orders close. Connections disconnect. Closed. Yes. Closed. Closed. So now I'm going to come into my trader dashboard. And I'm going to click on every account and go pull working orders and exit positions. So right here, I'm coming into the right here, and I'm just going to cancel, pull, and cancel, pull, and exit, pull, and exit, and then pull, exit. Now I got to make sure I'm reset on all my parameters. This account, enabled, loss limit 500. Apply OK. This account, parameters, enabled at 500. Done. This account, parameters, enabled at 500. Done. And then this account, parameters, enabled. See, I had to go from 500 to 1,000 to 3,500. But I did good. I made it all back. I go back to 500. Apply. OK. Done. So now that gets shut down. Done. OK. Boom. Boom. Yes, sir. You like that shit, right? So get a thumbs up and subscribe and like to this freaking video so everyone can see it. Look how good I'm doing with this one new firm I'm testing out. It's called, and I'm going to do a giveaway next week. It's called Elite Trader Funding. It's one account. It's down here. I've done very, very well with it every day, about the same number every day. Right here. So I did 340, 508 today, 331.50. Last week I did 378, 249, 248, 249, and 332. This week, 340, 508, and 332 again. I like 332. 51, 625 to 51, 838. Traded 8 days. Boom. That's how it works, guys. Done. That one's done. Now I got my apex for the day. Sometimes logging into Rhythmic is just faster. So I did on these from the top, I did $104.50. I went from 57.41 to 58.23. 13 days. This one I went from I did 1,540. I went from 51,772 to 53,144. This one I went from 51,740. I made 14.26. I went from 51,740 to 53,026. Very good, very good. This one I went from 50,004, 292 to 51,186. Well, 578, 51,908, This one from 51,344. There it is. 655.50. 52,004. I'll do the rest after. It's in a good trade zone now for the rehinds, guys. Good trade zone for the rehinds. So you come in supposedly to your dashboard. Firms. Dashboard. My account. Trader dashboard. Select account. So right here, if you come down, you can see all your payout eligibility balance. You have to cross over that. You have to do all this shit. So these are all your first payout, 6 trading day achieved, minimum of 3 days this week, 30% consistency, avoid the minimum, no account flags, all that stuff. My profit factor is the total profit of winning trades divided by the total loss of losing trades. A profit factor above 1 indicates overall profitability. Average win-loss, the average winning trades to the average loss, a higher ratio means your wins are bigger than your losses. I'm very even. Win 59%. Total wins 35,000, total losses 23,000. Profit of 12. See, this is where you can do 16. It triggers a flag at 16 micros. A gambling flag. But the account's up 12 grand. I just want to go to more micros. So he says to me, I said, if it's at 16, how do I get to more micros? And their answer to me was, let me see if it makes sense. I'm just going to save it for the show. What is that email? Here it is. He says, having consistent trading activity over several days while maintaining position sizes close to your current safe limit will gradually increase your allowed size. As you continue to show consistency at the 16 MNQ level without triggering gambling flags, the system will automatically adjust your safe limit upward, allowing you to scale to 29 MNQ only if this is normal for your trading activity. See that? So we'll see what it goes to. High frequency trading detected a month ago, but I got that cleared and everything's cleared. See, I had one losing day. I lost and I stopped. It was actually the last trade of the day. I was up $10 and I wanted to cover commissions and I wound up losing $1,500. But I've made it back. So let's look at the next one. 57. 258, 387. I'm getting close. 27% consistency, looking good. No flags. Minimum is 16 micros. And let's show all the entries. Not one losing day on that account. There you go. Win percentage, not even that high because the market's been going against me, man. Wait till it turns. It's going to be beautiful when it turns. Let's see this account. Every day, cruising along. Boom, boom, boom. 85, 629, 178, 500, 400, 2 grand, 400, 300, 1,500, 300, 400, 550, 300. There you go, boss. Gotta love it. Told you it was a good buy back in on that freaking SQQ. Told you. right, I had a little. They say it's in my credit bank, but I don't see it. Oh, I see what you got to do. It's a credit. I have these points so I can activate a new account with credits. You have $100 runner on two of them? Nice. Yeah, I just used a credit. Nice. Perfect time to trade too. Let me open it up and do a little trading, boss. Let's see a telemarketing call. Hello? Hello?
Hello, I was looking to speak here to Sandra. Is this Mr. Sears?
You have the wrong number. I hung right up on that shit. I should have a new 25K account loaded up. And do a little trading. Hasn't loaded yet. So while it's loading, let me show you some swing picks. Check out these couple of these swing picks. So you got bing, 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 bing. Look at these swings. Neg from $1.75 that I picked a couple of years ago, 2 years ago at $1.75. Neg is, what's neg? 100. Neg went to 95 today. Imagine having 1,000 shares at $1.75, and it's at 100. Can you imagine that? Amazing, right? Amazing. This one at $1.61 is 116. Let's see any other good ones. This one at 3 is 17. This one at $1.90 is 9. This one at $1.25 is 34. This one I picked Qubit, Q-U-B-T, at $2.95. That's $15.80 now. Qubit. So remember I bought Qubit at 10. I bought it at $2.95. Here's Sound, S-O-U-N at $1.25 is 15. Bought SoundHound. It's 15. GFAI at 17 cents is $1.20. RSSS at $1.98 is $2.88. This one at $1.44 is $9. Amazing. UUU at 2 is 4. Meds at 30 cents is 51 bucks. No way. Nope, it's not even there. There's Qubit at 15. Kern is not $3,000 per share. The fuck is that? No, it's not even around no more. Kern. Kern. No. Told you it was a good one. Yes, sir. I told you. APDN right there. I got ATNF. Let's see some of the gainers today on the NASDAQ. ATNF right there. See it? Picked it at $3.95. Sold at $5.55. It's now, I think it's 15. $12.97 by 13. So I picked this ASST. This one was up this morning actually to 460. It's a new one. An ASTI from 181 to 207. ATNF. I picked it at $5.30. It's 13. I took profits today, 19,222 on that one. It's a great model right here. BSLK from 380 to 797. See it? Bought that today. This morning. Look at that. Boom. 14,618 BSLK. Did it today. Boom. Oh, what else is on Ethereum? Got 201 left at 30. It's 38.45 on Ethereum. Boom. Take half of those off. MNTS was from today. It went up to 233. I had it. I was up $7,000. Now I'm back to even. That's the end of them. X4 down on the bottom at 358. Oh, maybe from the other day. Done. All right. What's SQQ17? Let's see if that account came in. I can trade. It did. Yes, sir. Phew. Phew. All right. I got 3. I got 4. Yay. I got 4. I got 5. We'll do 5. We'll do 5. 5 little ponies. We'll sell it back around 1703. Put one right here, and one right down there and add. Done. That's how it works. See, I put them 3 down and add 3. Right into that. Perfect timing. Hey, Armando. What's the name of that restaurant, boss? What's the name of that restaurant? Isn't it called Don Ramon's? Yeah, let me see what people put for that poll on Twitter. So sick yesterday. I got went golfing and it rained on me and shit. I was like, oh my God, I just got sick. All right. Here's the link. Do a Twitter giveaway. Not many people did it, so you have a good chance to win. CG, you guys won't be able to win again. See who would have won though. Mr. Oz. See if I can get you another one from somewhere, boss. Do my best. All right, 1696 by 7. Let's go back through 17. Here we go. Litecoin sitting there at 11. Did good today. Did good today. What's today? Wednesday already? Wow. What should I eat for lunch? I know Armando's going to say freaking Don Ramon's. Brad. It's in the slow catch-up mode. 95 is the most. Yeah. So they have, if you guys want, there's 95 coming back up. All right. Neg, $89. Amazing. Plug's another good stock. See Plug here at $1.60, and its comrade is Fuel Cell Technologies, FCEL, at $4.22 is a good buy. Stock will go to $8 and $10. See it? Last time I traded it was into this run right here. From here, 480 into here, 630. That was that one. Sonnet Bio. What was one to 19? Oh, Dog Z was a stock of mine pick. Dog Z. See it? 750 moving up. Dog Z. Don't have time to look for it yet. SQQ's on the move. 96, 97. Let's go. Nice job, Mr. Oz. What do you got? $556 runner in the PA? Nice. Oh, good job, guys. You're doing good. 97. Let's go. What was the biggest runner people had here? Let's see it. 1,294. That's a big one. Nice. On a micro? Nice. That's a good one. Nice job, HGH. My boy Drake fucking launched his own coin and shit. You see that? Drake Bell. He's fucking got his own coin now. Him hates fucking Josh. They have a bad relationship and shit. But now all of a sudden, you know, since the Drake coin's coming in and shit, that's what it did. Pumping Drake coin. Fucking scam. Big scam, dude. He can't believe it. Drake made $100,000 scamming people. It's worth $100,000. He's scamming people. See, he's got 5,000. Drake, he made $2,400, and he's just scamming people. See, buy Drake, pumping his own fucking coin. Get a knock on the door, dude. You get a big old knock on the door. Say, yo, you know all that money you made on Drake? What is that, a 69 fucking impersonator? See, look, he can't believe it. Yeah, it's so fun. Mhm. He's getting bagged today. Amazing, right? Yeah, unbelievable. $200,000. 5 Solana to 4.8 million Drake coin. Fucking what a scam. I like the Savannah bananas. Come on, Pac-Man. Yes, sir. Pac-Man City. Nice. Yeah. Do you know that? To do one micro at one of the big firms, Bradley, yo, Panda. Panda.
Yes, sir.
You know how much it costs to do one micro at Schwab and shit? Some of the firms I called up. One micro.
Yeah, how much?
$6,600.
For a micro?
Yes.
That's insane.
Isn't it insane? Yeah. You go open a futures account. I called up and I asked. You open up a futures account and you trade one micro. You need $6,500 in the account in cash to do one micro.
Is that day margin or overnight?
They don't offer margin.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
There,
Because I looked at my Ninja Trader.
there is no margin. It's straight out. You know how much it costs to do a one NQ?
don't even want to know.
$14,000.
Yeah, that takes out all the little guys.
Yeah. So what are you gonna, what are you gonna do with one micro? How much you really gonna, how you can't make money.
No.
My friend's like, I'm gonna go trade futures at Schwab. I'm like, I'll find out for you and shit. I'm like, okay. He's like, I'll put in, I'm not gonna trade with the prop. I'll put in whatever, 10 grand and shit. So he wants to do that. I call up. I'm like, so how much is it to do one micro? They're like, $6,500. So I'm like, so with this much money, Nick, you can only do one. He's like, yeah, you can only do one. I'm like, all right, dude, you'll make $25 to $50. You'll make between $15 to $50 a day. Have fun. He's like, I'm not doing that.
Do they just not want the business? They just don't want to mess with it?
I don't know. I don't know why. I don't
I mean,
understand.
my live Ninja Trader brokerage account charges $100.
Yeah,
Don't have any money in it right now.
yeah, Ninja Trader. There's an Iron Beam charges 80 a contract. So yeah.
That's just weird.
I got a nice runner with that last one, $35. Let's go, baby. Run it back to 08 and give me fucking 100, 200. Set the record. Setting the record, 1702. Let's go. See, when I put it over here, it doesn't work. When I move it over here, it works perfectly in my favor. It's a beautiful thing. Yeah, it costs so much money, dude. I'm like, dude, you ain't gonna make no money. You got to trade with the prop firms, dude. RSLS is another swing pick of mine. Real Life Sciences. Reshape Life Sciences. See, told you. It's another one of my swing picks right there. See it? 241. Reshape Life Sciences. I got to send this video out to the swing newsletter so they can like look at all my old swing picks here. I'm going to make like a master list. This column, last price. Let's see what the last price of these are.
That'd be nice.
Soundhound, I picked at $1. This one at 35 cents is 2. Rubicon Technologies. This one at 50 cents is $5. Aurora Cannabis. Nice.
My favorite one, Mike, was LIDR. I got a 5-1 on that.
Nice. That LIDAR was beautiful. How can you, every time you turn the History Channel on and shit, all they do is rave on how great LIDAR is, and it's changing the way archaeology is done in today's world and shit. And it's like the only small cap stock that does LIDAR. How can you not know it's going to be a winner? It was so good. It's such common sense. There's the Labubu doll. There's a stock for it. Did you know that? With Labubu?
What is that?
That's the new craze, like the Beanie Babies. It's called Labubu. It's a little doll. Labubu.
Oh, okay.
It's in Forbes magazine and shit. These little dolls. See Pop Mart? See the doll? $90. See that? Labubu. It's made by Pop Mart, and that's a stock in China. Pop Mart. Look, Pop Mart stock right here. See, international. It's $34. In the last 6 months, it's done pretty nicely. It's gonna pop like Ethereum did and go up like fucking huge to $50. See it? Pop Mart International Group. PMRTY is the symbol. They make Labubu. Right here. They make Labubu. They make the Labubu doll. Pop Mart. Symbol is PMRTY. There's another one too. Right here, there's another one. $268 a share. Right here. Pop Mart International trades on the Hong Kong. Look at the last month. See it in the last month, 50 to 250. See it? Labubu, yep. It's gone up from 50 to 250 in a month. A month ago, I was going to buy, but my friend, I'm like, dude, let's go buy $10,000 worth of Labubu dolls. And we'll fucking sell them and we'll buy the stock and we'll make money. It's like, what the fuck you talking about, Labu? It's like, yeah, the fucking boo-boo. Oh my, thing's all fucked up. Oh, take them. Went from 50 to 250. It's all bugged. It's all bugged out. Got computer for like brain freeze with a drink when you drink too fast, and I got computer freeze. Told you. The boo-boo doll. The boo-boo. Looks so easy to see when the hot trends, just like Ethereum when it was. You see how much Ethereum went through Heinz 4,000? It's almost up 1,000 points. 1701, baby. There's a nice little Pac-Man. Watch. Take that whole line. Ready? Watch. Told you. They stopped right there. Here comes Pac-Man. Come on, baby. I gotta swing it. See, every time I pull it over, it fucking goes against me. Every time I pull it back away, it'll go right in my favor. It's so fucked up. See, right back to 17 by 1701. It's so unbelievable. It's like they watch my screen. Here we go, baby. back to 16.99. Can't hold it back, man. You can't hold it back, Heinz, guys. It's an algorithm. It's a computer algorithm. Told you, 1701. $17.02. Let's go. Pac-Man. Come on, 2. Come on, 2. Ah, you piece of shit. Piece of shit. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, dog meat. Come on, 17. Yes, sir. 17.
Here we go.
Come on. Here we go. Yes, sir. Pac-Man. Boom. Yes, sir. Told you. Boom. Yes, sir. Ha, easy money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your girls have a knockoff called La Fufus? That's funny. The chart is on. ARCT, new one up there. Arctis Therapeutics. It's up. Chart's on. Yes, sir. What should I eat for lunch today? I haven't really eaten in 2 days because I've been sick, so I haven't really. I had chicken soup last night. Chicken noodle soup from Panera Bread's always good and hearty. Get rid of that cold. Nah, just chilling. Chilling like a villain. Go 170123. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The neighborhood. The neighborhood. 3-day rule on them warrior accounts, man. Jump on them, boys. Use that code Mojo. Yeah, I need to do some Labubu dolls. Do a Labubu NFT. Get the doll and the NFT. Labubu. Should I play in this tournament? The countdown is on. The World Amateur Golf Tour Florida Season Opener tees off Saturday at Clearmont National. I think that's in Claremont.
15:45 down there at 03, Mike.
Claremont, Florida. Yeah, nice. Gonna go there. I think that's near Orlando. A lot of rebates at 1701, 2 and 3, boss. Good eye. That's where it's going. I'm supposed to do this webinar at fucking 2 o'clock, but I didn't do an indication on. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Yes, sir. What should I eat for lunch? I have to get Jamba Juice for lunch today. I have to be a nice big fruit shake. Pounce all that in me. It'll get rid of that cold big time with a little sushi maybe. Can't keep it down that long. SQQ. Pac-Man. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do they have a consistency rule on the evals for take profit trader, Panda?
Yeah, 50%.
So if it's a 20, I got that 25K account, I got to make what? 26.5, 1,500. So I can't make more than 750 in one day, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay, I'm gonna have
On the
to.
eval,
Yeah,
you just gotta make, what did you say, 2,500?
1,500, right?
15, yeah, so 750.
Yeah, cool.
You're right.
A lot of Pac-Mans happening. I'm in the middle of one right now. Let's go. Pack it, baby. There you go. Pac-Man. Yes, sir. Come on, baby. Take those three. Come on. All right. 3 more. Yes, sir. Adding, putting 2 up there, adding to the position. Winner, winner, playing in the green, free money. Playing in the green. You know, Patrick at the BDH invited these guys to the BDH. And the guys lost like their evals, and first 2 days they all lost. Panda, do you see any of that? What gave the one guy yesterday? He gave him $5,000 in cash and handed it right over to him. Guys like, well, I didn't. I'm gonna make, my goal is to make $100 on my account today and not blow anything. And then he walked in there, and Patrick, I guess paid him $5,000 to come there and shit. So he gave him $5,000. The guy's like counting the bills and shit.
That's crazy.
He's like, well, at least I made $5,000 today. I'm like, you know how long it's gonna take you to make $5,000 as a trader with the fucking prop firms, dude? Good luck. Ain't gonna fucking happen. See, I pull it over here. It doesn't go in my favor. It should be at 1703. I'll pull it over here. It goes right in my favor. Every time. It's so fucked up. See, every time I pull it away to me, it goes right in my favor. Pac-Manning the shit out of it again. See?
I'll leave it over there.
I'm leaving it over here for a little bit. Till they start taking the line. Like right now. They're right on top of me. Here it is. They're taking it. Look. See? They took it right up to here. There it is. Look. Bing, boom, boom, boom. The whole line. Up half of it. See that? Half of it. Come on, baby. Take it. Move one up. Move one up. Move one up. Move one down. Move one down. Move one down. Come and get him, baby. Look, I got to move it back over. Every time I pull it over, it doesn't work, Panda. See, every time I pull it, it's unbelievable. Now it'll work in my favor again. I'll add a couple. Goes right back to 7.
I'm short.
Another Pac-Man. All right, I'm going to have to stop in another minute. I'm going to have to stop. I could pull it back up. I'm going to have to stop in another minute. I pull it back over. It won't work. I want it to go back down so I can fucking buy more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, the water bill's gone up, dude. Water bills used to be not that much. Now my water bill is fucking a lot of money. The fuck's my water bill? They're charging a lot for water now. Buy some water stocks. I know one or two of them. One of them is called WTER. Right here, Alkaline Water Company at 2 cents. See it? It used to be $1 stock. See it? Alkaline Water Company. Now watch the volume start coming in and fucking they take it to the moon and shit. But that's the company. They're going to charge for water. That company's going to make a lot of money. You know what I mean?
If you're running, Mike.
I got my runner, $26.
Just let you know.
I got a runner. What is it, 1702? Take a look. Told you. I know what the fuck it's at, bitch.
That's awesome!
You know who's making money? Fucking Armando.
Good job, Armando.
Fucking Armando's making some goddamn money. Better ask somebody. Armando. I showed him how to trade it with the salt and pepper shaker on the table. Said when that shit rises, green bar from the middle of the table, wait. It's made 3 bars towards the top of I use the fork, the knife, you know? You put, look, 1 knife, 2 knives, 3 knives, 4 knives. Then I put a spoon coming the other way. You see the spoon start to enter your short. Now that shit comes back down towards the middle of the table. Start fucking taking your tip, man, getting fucking paid. And hold the rest. He's a fucking master. He's a fucking master. Fucking Armando. Look at that, 1703, just like you called it, Panda. What are you, fucking omnipotent and fucking like a Rain Man? How'd you know that, dude? How'd you know it was gonna?
I had a good teacher.
Yeah, but what did he teach you? How'd you know that?
I'm looking at the DAS, level 2 data.
And what does the level 2 data tell you in this little thing right here with the 17? What was it telling you? Brad, you're my hero. I love you. Go to 1703. Does it whisper to you? What does it do? What does it do?
Go short.
But how'd you know it was going higher? What's the answer?
DAS size is bigger than the bid.
That's correct. And why do they do that?
It's because more of the hedge funds and stuff are putting in their orders.
Well, it's called rebate trading.
Oh, rebates, yeah.
And they're adding liquidity to the market.
I just couldn't get it out. Sorry.
No problem. That's good to know. If they were selling it on the bid at 1703, instead of selling it on the ask at 1704, what would they be doing?
removing liquidity.
Correct. Very good. So if you were just to sell as an institution at 1703 as a market order and sell it, you're removing liquidity from the market. They'll charge you for that on the exchange fees. If you sit on the ask and the market buys you, you're adding liquidity to the market. They pay you a rebate. So you can actually make money by sitting on the bid and buying the bid and sitting on the ask and selling it on the ask back and forth all day long for rebates. That's what the institutions and the firms are doing it. And you follow it by the large number. Wherever the largest number is in the level 2, that's where it's going. And that's it, guys. So it's been a great day. I'm going to go have a great lunch. I want to thank everybody for hanging out and trading with me. It's been fun. And yeah, we'll pick it up on another day, another dollar, and another tune. Peace.
Thanks, Mike.
You're welcome. Make sure all my accounts are closed. My positions are closed. Don't want to come back and... All righty. So I will catch you guys on the next show. Let me see if I have a code. No, this was my code. Get to Prop Shop right there. Use the code Mojo and get the best deal right there.